Welcome viewers, Namaskar. Today I am at Lingaraj Temple of Bhubaneswar. Lingaraj Temple is one of the most significant temple in Bhubaneswar, and this is the abode of Lord Shiva, where Lord Shiva stays with Lord Vishnu together. So this is called Harihara. Now let's walk together. Inside the temple, the video and photography is not allowed. You have to keep your phone outside. So now I am the outside of the temple. So, in January 2022, there are some restrictions in the state of Orissa. The Jagannath Temple of Puri is now closed till 31st January. But the Lingaraj Temple of Bhubaneswar is still open. So if you are planning, you can visit here. This is the shoe stand, and you have to keep your mobile here. And then after showing your double vaccination certificate of COVID, you can enter the temple. Though there is photography and videography is not allowed inside the temple, if you come to the right side of the temple, there is a selfie stand. We can take very good photography and videography from there. So let's check out. Lingaraj Temple is one of the finest temple of Kalinga architecture at Bhubaneswar. If you see, here also first the Jagmohan and then the Deul or Vimana is there. The Lingaraj Temple is actually beside the Ekamra Khetra. Ekamra Khetra was mentioned in the Hindu Puranas. The Ekamra Khetra is linked with Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva was interested to stay here in alone. And in this Ekamra Kshetra, it was believed that there are more than 300 temples in all over the place. Presently, this Ekamra Kshetra is called Old Town of Bhubaneswar. Not only Lingaraj, there are more than 20 to 30 temples around the whole space. Now we are heading towards the Bindusagar Lake, which is also have some impact in the Hindu Puranas. This is the holy Bindusagar Lake of Orissa. It was believed that goddess Parvati wanted to drink water, and then Nandi built this lake. And the waters of the Char Dhams has been collaborated here. The pilgrims who visit Orissa, they first took bath at this Bindusagar Lake, then they visit Ananta Vasudev Temple, after that Lingaraj Temple, and then they go to Puri for the Jagannath Temple visit. So this Bindusagar Lake has a very good impact in the Puranas also. and the temple of all over this Ekamra Khetra was situated beside this Bindushagar lake. This is the Ananta Vasudev temple, which is also very well-known ancient temple of Ekamra Khetra. And Lord Jagannath, Lord Subhadra and Lord Balaram was here in the Garbhagriha of the temple. And the architecture of Ananta Vasudev temple is also very significant relating to the Kalinga architecture. So one who wants to visit Lingaraj temple, you have to visit this temple if you want to complete your tour in this Ekamra Khetra. Like the famous Chhappana Vogs of Lord Jagannath of Puri, here you can also avail the Chhappana Vog of Lord Lingaraj from nearby stalls from 11 to 3 p.m. On the back side of the Bindushagar lake, there is the Ekamra Van, and in this Bindushagar lake at evening there is one light and sound program, and we have seen that, and you can watch it in our video also. And the Bindushagar lake is in the center. In right side there is Lingaraj temple, in front there is Ananta Vasudev temple, back side there is the Ekamra Van, and all the small temples, the Tirtheshwara, the Pataleshwar, every temples are in the banks of Bindushagar lake. This is Uttareshwara temple. It was said that this is one of the oldest temple of Bhubaneswar, and in my videos we will discover many places throughout the Odisha. Maybe it is the ancient place, maybe it is the religious place, maybe it is any of the places to visit, to travel. So please stay with me, please shower your love and like, share and comment. जयस्फुलिङ्गपाहिगीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयोगरेखया विराजमानशङ्करं महाकपालिसम्पदे शिरोजटायः करालभालभट्टिका तगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयामुनीकृतप्रचण्डपञ्चसायके करालरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्ममा नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्धरस्फुरद्भूनिशीतिनी तमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्धर निलिम्बनिर्झरिधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुर धनानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्गुरु